So we're testing the old starter. I don't have a very thick wire here, but it'd be nice if this wire is thicker. So we got the red as a negative to the chassis, negative to my battery, positive is a yellow wire going to the big fat positive lug, and here comes the signal from the key. It's engaging. The pinion gear is pushing it out. It spins. Alright, so time to test in the new one. Let's bench test this guy. So let's give this guy a negative. And then we're going to give this guy a positive. I'm going to take the negative away first. I'm going to get everything situated. Then I'm going to give this thing some juice. Okay, now I got its ground. It spins. Alright, so it's been tested, bench tested, it works. So that's a high chance of working the car. Doesn't mean that when it actually hits the car, it can fail, which can still happen, but this is like, I don't know, 90% showing that it'll work. Now we're gonna put it in and devote our time. Risk her out.